There's more breaking news which is also coming in here on Times Now that we are getting you the details of. Stunning clean chit has been given to the Mumbai police and to the hospital by the State Human Rights Commission regarding the entry which has been given to Riya Chakravarti to the morgue. Remember, the Cooper Hospital was under the scanner by the State Human Rights Commission as to why she was allowed into the morgue where Sushant Singh Rajput's body was kept, where his post-mortem was happening inside the Cooper Hospital. And now there's a stunning clean chit which has been given. Let me go across to Imran, who's joining us with the very latest. We'll also be joined by Kajal and Tamal. Imran, first, I believe you have all the details. Tell us about this clean chit which has been given by Uddhav Thackeray's government, it seems.
Well, absolutely. That the 45 minutes spent in the mortuary by Riya Chakravarti and that sneak-in which happened, which even to family members of any of the personalities so far have not been allowed, but only to Riya Chakravarti, not even to Sushant Singh Rajput's family, has been given a clean chit by the State Human Rights Commission. This case was filed by suo motu when media reports reported that there is discrepancy in the functioning of the Cooper Hospital there, where unlike any other previous cases before, only Riya Chakravarti was given 45-minute access there in the mortuary. Now, the State Human Rights Commission not only given clean chit to the state government there, but even to the Mumbai police, where questions were raised when these details followed up. So the State Human Rights Commission backs the state, backs the police, says that they found no discrepancies so far. But what is important is that this is a protocol which they say that as far as the protocol is concerned, all the COVID-19 norms and whatever the rules were there of the Cooper Hospital were followed, and so far they have dismissed the case, giving clean chit to the sneak-in or to state government and to the Mumbai police.
Right. Well, this is huge. Let me go across to our bureau chief, Kajal Iyer. Kajal, we here on Times Now got the story for our visuals. Based on that, there was a plea to look into who allowed Riya Chakravarti inside for 45 minutes while the autopsy was happening, and now clean chit given by the Uddhav Thackeray government State Human Rights Commission to not just Mumbai police but even the Cooper Hospital. So there was no wrongdoing.
Yes, that's what the SHRC report seems to suggest, that there was no wrongdoing and that the suo motu cognizance was taken based on media reports. And now, after a detailed inquiry, they are concluding that nothing has been amiss. But yes, the family has alleged since the beginning as to who allowed Riya Chakravarti inside to go there and be in the mortuary for 45 minutes. And questions still remain as to how was she allowed there. Was there no one who was manning either the mortuary or the gates? We can still understand that the gates are not really manned in hospitals as stringently because a lot of people come and go. But of course, someone would have been manning the mortuary. This is something that still remains unanswered as to why any sort of accountability has not been fixed in this particular case.
Let me go across to Tamal. Tamal, is there a cover-up which is underway? Because on Times Now's candid camera, we had Cooper Hospital's officials themselves admitting that it's against every rule to allow an outsider to enter the mortuary at the time of an autopsy, that no one other than the investigative officer, which is the IO from the Mumbai police, or else someone high up the Cooper Hospital administration could have given this permission. And now the State Human Rights Panel would have us believe there were no rules breached.
Well, Meghna, our colleague Mohit Bhatt is there inside the SHRC office and he is getting us all the details, keeping us ahead here on Times Now. And he is saying that as far as Cooper Hospital and Mumbai police are concerned, they have been given a clean chit by State Human Rights Commission. As you rightly pointed out, it is the State Human Rights Commission that comes under the state government of who? Uddhav Thackeray, and we also know that the same Mumbai police had eventually given a clean chit to the entire mystery and had called it a suicide of Sushant Singh Rajput on the very day it had happened. Thereafter, you had seen some actions here and there, but they had mostly tried staying within the contours of the allegation made by Kangana Ranaut at that point in time that it was nepotism, it was favoritism and movie mafia that possibly had pushed Sushant Singh Rajput to take his life. But now, after months of investigation and days of investigation by CBI, it seems like there are several amiss and thus several questions were raised as far as Mumbai police conduct duct is concerned. Amidst all of this, Times Now had also exposed as how Rhea Chakraborty was given access inside the mortuary, and something the family of Sushant Singh Rajput had vociferously questioned as how come she was given access inside the mortuary, not for a minute or two. It was not an emotional outburst alone, but then she was allowed to stay there for good 45 minutes.
Well, do stay on with us. Shaina NC of the BJP is joining us. Shaina, there you have it. Uddhav Thackeray government, State Human Rights Commission would have us believe there was nothing wrong then, because no one's at fault.
But isn't it ironical that you have the state government giving a clean chit to the civil? You have the state government giving a clean chit to the police. Nobody for 1 minute is saying that there should not be an investigation as to what actually happened that day. But if you're going to give an open and closed case and say that, it's absolutely fine to be entering a mortuary, then I don't think there's any argument left.
Mm-hmm. Well, do stay on with us, Shaina. There's also Abha Singh who's joining us, a lawyer and an activist. Abha Singh, how would you like to respond to this? The state sets up its own probe panel, which is the Human Rights Panel. They are the ones who are probing the state hospital. They are the ones probing the state police. And at the end of it, they said nothing had gone wrong because no one had violated any rules now.
See, in the first place, you have to have faith in these institutions like Human Rights Panel, and you cannot say that because it is in the state, so it will be biased. But when it has given a clean chit to Cooper Hospital, I think everybody needs to respect that. And in the first place, all those people who were casting aspersions on Cooper Hospital, they should be taken to task, because a doctor is a very noble profession. And what was the intention of the doctors? Why would they give a false report? Or even if somebody enters a mortuary, let me tell you, it is nothing new. A lot of people, including me, I can say at some stage, have definitely gone to a mortuary. So when it is not illegal, it is not an offense. Just because you TV channels were running some pictures, so you say that the whole death probe was compromised.
I'm sorry to contradict you. It's not about TV channels and what visuals we prove, because we have on camera admission by those people who are working inside the Cooper Hospital saying no one is allowed to enter, especially if they are not even family members. Any outsider cannot walk in. It's not something that we've concocted. This is as per the rule book, Abha Singh.
Let me ask you one question. Which hospital has any media channel been stopped from entering? Where have you not entered? So let us not say that because one person entered, the whole process is compromised, because that is a government record, and when they give a post-mortem report,
Abha
you have
Singh,
to
a
go
media
by it.
channel entering and prime accused number one entering, don't you see the difference? And not that in media channels, I would like to correct you, Times Now would not indulge in any illegality, but any journalist entering and the accused number one entering, Abha Singh, you are a lawyer yourself. You know the difference.
Who's an accused in this? You are innocent till you are proven guilty.
Accused number one. I said accused. I didn't say she's guilty. I said she's accused number one.
No, but my issue is when Mumbai police had not found any foul play. Even the Bihar FIR just talked of 15 crores were siphoned off, which ED till now, in fact, Home Ministry has told the Parliament that they have not found anything till now.
Shaina NC, would you like to come in? Abha Singh says, have more faith in the State Human Rights Commission. Maybe they are right.
Firstly, I just want to say this is not some ordinary case. This is a case of either a suicide and abetment or a murder. Now, isn't the evidence the most important is once the body is in a mortuary, and there you give entry only selectively to Rhea and not to anybody else? Not even the others who are investigating have taken it so seriously. So I think it's a very, very sorry commentary where we are going to sit and defend the indefensible. Having said that, obviously the state government is entitled to give a clean chit if they choose it to, but it's very ironical that it would not have even taken into cognizance that there is a stipulation saying nobody should enter the mortuary, and especially in these kind of suspect cases.
Abha Singh, would you like to respond to that? It's not just any case. This is a high-profile case, and it's not just any rules. These are rules which are applicable everywhere. Rules were flouted, but no one's guilty.
No, for BJP it is very important because BJP is using Sushant Singh Rajput's face on the posters in Bihar elections. Otherwise, for me, every person's life is important. And by the same coin, the Narcotics Control Bureau is under the central government. So ED is under the central government. These agencies from the center have specially come and camped in Mumbai to embarrass the Maharashtra government. I can ask Shaina NC, why don't you have faith in the state agencies? Why is center interfering? And
So,
NCP is supposed to look after cases of international and national level.
Abba Singh says, have faith. If there is a clean chit given, then what's wrong with it? There is Shaina NC who says that clearly this is under political pressure. Thank you so much, Abba Singh as well as Shaina NC for joining us. Kajal, if I can come back to you, it's important for our viewers to understand as well, what does the rule book clearly say about outsiders entering the morgue at the time of an autopsy, and not just any outsider, accused number 1 entering?
At the time of the autopsy, of course not, but this entry that we had reported was post the autopsy, but when the report was still awaited. So yes, there are rules about who usually enters these places, and but in most places that we have seen is that some wink and look away happens when it comes to friends and people who are known to the deceased. And it seems that some sort of omission and commission has really happened in this case also, because Rhea Chakrabarti did manage to go in there, and the family of Sushant Singh Rajput has objected to that, saying that they were not aware of the fact that Rhea had gone to Cooper Hospital to see the body. So given the fact that the primary family has an objection to this entire aspect, of course the question arises as to whoever was in charge.
In fact, let me go across to Dr. Bikram Singh, who's joining us, the former